So on to the main. We've got some of Sarah Crow's Strawberry Fields pork. We've got some rolled pork shoulder that we're going to pan fry. We got some lovely greens. So it's a bit of a mix from Hare Hill and Lane Cottage. We've got some Shropshire quinoa. We've got our pork and tomato broth. We've got some English broad beans, a bit of asparagus, some Carlin peas. We've got like a sort of lightly spiced tomato sauce and a green sauce. First thing, I'm going to pop the pan on to start the pork. Whilst that's warming up, I'm going to get my broth into a pan. So we're not exactly making like a soup here. The broth will almost be the gravy, really. I'm going to serve mine in a bowl so that it catches all the broth on the bottom. But pan's nice and hot. I'm going to oil it. We need to colour the outside without burning it and getting it hot all the way through. What we're going to do is, all the beans and peas are cooked. We're just going to reheat them in there with the fresh herbs. The greens are raw, so they're going to cook pretty quick in here. It's just come up to a boil now. I'm going to put my greens in first, just to cook them down. And then in go all my beans and my fresh herbs. So that's what our broth looks like, nice and green, all those beans and the kale in there. So the quinoa, you put in at room temperature, you're going to pour the boiling stock over it, so it's not too much of a problem. I'm just going to pile it up in the middle, give it a bit of extra height. So, that's spoon up, I'm just going to pile all the solids nice and high. Looks pretty good already. Let's get some pork on. Next we're going to go with our tomato. And got plenty of that. Finally, some of this lovely green sauce.